Good morning, everybody. So I found this lovely giraffe just a little distance from the gate as I entered the park. Beautiful. Quite relaxed, just chilling, enjoying breakfast. And then I came across this Cape glossy starling. Beautiful bird with that iridescent feathering changing from blue to green depending on the sunlight. And that prominent yellow eye. Quite a common bird, but still pretty to look at. And then I spotted this beast. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but if we get in a bit closer, there we go. Flat cat. Now this leopard was about 50 meters away from this impala and moving inch by inch. It took about 2 hours. And right when the leopard was about 20 meters away from that impala, the wind direction changed, and all of a sudden that impala just bolted. Just one sniff and he was out of there. And there the leopard realizes breakfast is gone. Now this is not an uncommon sight. Leopards are only successful in about 30 to 35% of their hunting attempts. So let's get this right. First of all, seeing a leopard is pretty rare. But a failed hunt is not that rare. So I hung around the area, and about 2 hours later I found the leopard again, because it completely disappeared in the grass, and it just suddenly popped up on top of this termite mound, probably resigned to the fact that breakfast had left, and they're just basking in the sun. You can see the wind. It's quite a cold day. She sat on top of this termite mound for the next couple of hours. Now, interesting to note there, you can clearly see there that leopards don't actually have spots. It's more of a rosette pattern. Quite relaxed. So unfortunately, folks, after spending so much time following this leopard, it was kind of time to pack it in for the morning. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that one, and remember to hit that subscribe button, and then I'll see you guys on the next video.